Hi. To demonstrate the filtration of our kidneys, I chose my bathroom sink. And to start this off, the fluid that is going to be filtered through our kidneys is blood. And the blood contains water and interstitial fluid and all the ions that are in our body. So this fluid is coming from other parts of our body that are now traveling to our kidneys. And all this filtration is going to happen in the nephron. And I'm going to demonstrate all of the nephron's parts through the plumbing system in my bathroom. So the first stop of this interstitial fluid, blood, water, whatever, is going to be the glomerulus. So I chose my faucet itself to be the glomerulus. So here is where the small solutes are going to be filtered from the blood. And the filtration liquid itself is the water that's coming out of my sink. So that's the blood, that's everything that I talked about before. And the second place that this fluid is going to conquer is the proximal convoluted tubule. And I chose the drain itself to demonstrate that part of the nephron. So this is where the reabsorption of ions and water and nutrients are going to happen. And this is also where the removal of toxins will happen. And to demonstrate the removal would be me closing the drain like so. And that's stopping all those toxins from traveling into the rest of the nephron. So now I'm going to open it. So here, I'm going to move down underneath my sink to the actual plumbing underneath here. And okay, conveniently enough, this is going to be my distal end of the loop of Henle, the distal loop of Henle, whatever. So here is where the higher concentrations of water is going to be able to happen because the aquaporons are located here. And now the interstitial fluid is going to move down here. And now this is going to be my ascending loop of Henle. And that is where the reabsorption of sodium and chloride is happening. And it's moving into the interstitial fluid. And now there's going to be a lower concentration of water here in the nephron. So now moving from the ascending loop, we're going to the distal tubule. This is where a secretion of potassium and hydrogen is happening. The ions are being secreted. And reabsorption of sodium chloride is happening in this area of the nephron. So now we're moving to the collecting duct. I'm going to say this is the collecting duct. This is like the last part I can visibly see underneath my sink. And that's where the final reabsorption of water is happening. So that's where our body is getting the rest of the water we need so we don't excrete too much water when we urinate. So this collecting duct is now moving our final product, which is urine. I'm turning the water off. Which is the urine or the filtrate. And that is moving into the ureter. And the ureter is the tube-like thing that is coming off of the bean-like structure of the kidney. And that is moving into our urinary bladder, where now that liquid is being stored or held until our urethra is using their somatic motor neurons to relax and have the excretion of urine, which is us peeing. So that is my demonstration of the filtration system of the kidneys.